Today I will start on emergent topics which is of very much prime importance in the present scenario. So you know that the environment is getting polluted day by day. Whatever pollution was there before 10 years, now it is going on increasing, and it is estimated that after 10 years it will be very difficult for survival of the human beings as well as animals or any living beings on the earth. So before coming to this pollution, I will now clarify or explain what is environmental pollution. Let me start. So coming to this environmental pollution, let me tell you what is environment. Environment is literal meaning of the environment is surroundings in which any living organisms, your plant, animals and human beings, they stay along with the interactions of the abiotic components. That means your air, sunshine, light, your rainfall, etc. So the environmental pollution means the any undesirable changes of the in the atmosphere will give rise to environmental pollution. Out of environmental pollution, there is air pollution, then water pollution, then your thermal pollution, fourth is your nuclear pollution, soil pollution, and so on and so forth. Among all these pollutions which I have written here, the air pollution is one of the important things nowadays, because without air it is very difficult to survive on earth, just like water. So whatever food we take, approximately we take 15 to 20 kg of food. So any type of contamination of food, it is not that dangerous as the contamination of air by pollutants. And you know, nowadays the government is taking a lot of actions, including our pollution control board, for this prevention of this air pollution. So what is air pollution? Let me explain. So air pollution is the presence of any undesirable pollutants in the air. So there is two types of pollutants in the air. One is primary pollutants, another is secondary pollutants. So primary pollutants include the gas like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, your suspended particle matters, and sulfur dioxides, nitrogen oxides. All these comes under primary pollutants. So these primary pollutants are main source of air pollution in the air. Then coming to secondary pollutants. Secondary pollutants, when these primary pollutants come with vapors in the air, it gives rise to different type of acids. One acid is your sulfuric acid, which is H2SO4, another is nitric acid, HNO3, another is these two acids. It is secondary pollutants. So among primary pollutants and secondary pollutants, the primary pollutants are the main pollutants, major pollutants, which is available in the air and which is really the source of pollution. You know that carbon dioxide. So let me tell you what is the source of these primary pollutants. The primary pollutants are the main source of pollution in the air. The carbon monoxides, the main source is the source of these fuels, these fossil fuels which is used in these automobiles, two-wheelers or four-wheelers. They are the main source of pollution. In the exhaust of these automobiles, we use petroleum, and that is the main source of this carbon monoxide. So carbon dioxide, you know, in the respiration we liberate carbon dioxide, and which is being used by our plants. So that's why the oxygen level in the air is totally maintained.